Imagine cutting your workload in half while still delivering top-notch results. In today's video, we're going to explore how ChatGPT can transform your business processes with innovative prompts and hacks that boost your productivity to new heights. Boom. Let's jump right into the first game-changing tool, AI for Work, a ChatGPT powered prompt library tailored specifically for business needs. All right, so here it is. This is aiforwork.co, okay? And it's basically a ChatGPT prompt library for business. And there's even a section for entrepreneur, but if you're facing other issues like marketing or legal or sales, I mean, it's got you covered with perfect prompts for your needs, okay? So let's head over to entrepreneur, okay? All right, cool. And we're gonna check ourselves off as the crowned CEO. Boom. Okay, and look at all these. Chief Executive Officer. We got create a budget document, create a financial statement document, create an operating budget, so forth. Now, something I've done before, but it's been a long time ago, create an investor presentation. So let's go ahead and click that. All right, and by this time, you're gonna have to log in. So you're gonna have to go through a login process to get to this point. And I think you sign in for a free email, but it's free, okay? All right, so here we go. So there is a prompt here that allows me to copy the prompt, and now I can drop it into ChatGPT just like that. So you click to copy this prompt. There's also a video how to use this prompt. Let's go ahead and click it. And here you can drop it into ChatGPT just like this. Boom. Okay. Okay. And then, yeah, you'll just go through the motions on ChatGPT. Look at all this. Boom. I'm your Chief Marketing Officer, AI, here to help you design an investor presentation. And it's asking all these questions, right? Okay, pretty cool, right? Let's go back to the home page here and ask all these questions, and you can go ahead and answer it. What is the core product or service that your company offers, and what unique value does it bring to the market? Okay, let's just do something here first, just for fun. Okay, I have a EV company, and the EV can make a car that can go 1,000 miles without a charge. Okay, it happens. Memory updated. This is an incredible proposition for EV company. Vehicle can travel 1,000 miles without charge. It's a game changer. And it gives you all these answers. And then you have more answers and more answers. And then you take all this information and then you put it into a brief. And I'm sure if you instruct ChatGPT to go ahead and organize all this for you, it's going to do it. All right. It also offers an engineering page. So look at this, design, develop, and improve product process and systems using scientific and mathematical principles. All right, so, I mean, again, you could go down the road forever on this stuff. It's pretty good, right? Look at this. Create all these options. Create a computational fluid dynamics report. Sure. Pretty cool, right? All right, well, that's pretty much AI for Work in a nutshell. This tool takes the complexity out of structuring your prompts. And the best part, OpenAI even offers a prompt engineering guide to help you refine your skills as the AI landscape evolves. You can find it on the OpenAI platform under documentation, then prompt engineering. So say goodbye to writer's block and say hello to faster and working smarter. All right, part 2, summarizing long text with ChatGPT. Let's talk about productivity in its simplest form. Summarizing long content, whether it's a 20-page contract, a lengthy article, or even a complex video. You don't have to spend hours reading or watching anymore. ChatGPT can summarize anything in seconds, so you stay informed without wasting time. Let's check it out. Here's how it works. If you got a long document, all you have to do is simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT and ask for a summary. Okay, so here's a video that I created. For example, it's for a video called Hippo Harvest. It's an automated grow room company out of Pescadero, California. And we made a very long video. Now, I got this transcript through using Adobe Premiere, and it creates transcriptions for you. So here's what you do. You copy the whole transcript, and let's say I wanted to get a summary of this, okay? So you just paste that, and then you type in, here's the prompt, okay? I think you can put the prompt at the top or the bottom. Let's just put it at the top, okay? That's obviously the speaker. Cut that off. Okay, here's the prompt. Summarize in 2 sentences. Let's be friendly and do it in 5 sentences because it's pretty long. Summarize this video in 5 sentences. So the important is right here is the TL semicolon DR. All right, here we go. Watch this. Boom. You see the generation. There we go. Hippo Harvest is transforming a traditional greenhouse in Pescadero, California into a highly efficient, sustainable operation using robotics machine learning. They grow various types of lettuce, leafy greens, and so forth, okay? This feature is perfect for entrepreneurs or business professionals who need to process a ton of information in a fraction of the time. Before I go into the last hack, let me pause for a quick moment. If you feel this video has brought some value to you and we have earned your subscription, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below, so you can get alerted each week when I post a video helping you to learn more about implementing AI into your workflow. Oh, and don't forget to like this video too. It helps YouTube know we're doing our best. Okay, on to the last hack, part 3, meeting minutes and action items with ChatGPT. Now, we've all been there. You're in a meeting, but your mind is on a million other things. Maybe you're juggling work at home or life, or you just don't have the time or the bandwidth to fully engage. Worry.
Be happy.
This is where ChatGPT steps in to save the day. Let's check it out. Okay, so if you want to do this in Microsoft Teams, you can easily just download whatever content you're interacting with, and whether it's an MP4 or an audio file, by following a few simple steps, this is how it works. First, you click the 3 dots in the recording section and select Start Recording button. This will begin recording your meeting, okay? And when you're done, you can click the same button again to simply stop the recording. The recorded meeting then obviously will be saved, right? Now, once the recording is complete, you can upload the transcript of the recording, okay? Just select Microsoft Teams meeting you want. Choose the format you wish to upload, MP4, MP3, etc. And you'll see a list of supported formats. After uploading the file, just go ahead and the file will process. And during this time, Teams will transcribe any text from the file, okay? Now, once the transcription is complete, you're all set. Now, let's suppose we had a Teams meeting. It was a very, very boring Teams meeting about sending 3 of our team members to Mars.
Ready? I am the greatest botanist on this planet.
So let's pop that in here about sending our team members to Mars. Dr. Samantha Chen, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining this critical meeting to discuss our plans for sending 3 team members to Mars. So let's now summarize it, okay? Okay, ask it to pull. Okay, so we're gonna ask it to pull out key meeting minutes and generate a list of action items. Like, okay, here we go. Let's go to the top. Okay. Please, again, I always say please pull out the key meeting minutes and generate a list of action items, okay? Now, it's like having a personal assistant that listens to every word and gives you a neat little summary at the end, and you won't miss a thing. And you'll be able to focus on other tasks without worrying about what was said in the meeting. Hopefully this won't mess you up as you're on your way to Mars, okay? So here we go. So just make sure you separate everything with a colon. Okay, let's get rid of the fictional. Okay. All right, here we go. And here are the team meetings. So, team selection, psychological traits, focus on consensus, emotional stability, able to work in isolation, Dr. Wong. Evaluation methods, transit phase, key considerations are radiation shielding, life support, private, long-term habitation on Mars. Here's my favorite part, okay? Low gravity, radiation exposure, ethical, psychological considerations, implement ways for the team to contribute. It's summed it all up. It's still working, all right? I think it's done, okay? Action items, and gives you a list of 13 action items, what you need to do to get your team to Mars in this fictional scenario, all right? Based on a very long and an exhaustive Teams meeting or Zoom meeting or whatever it is that you didn't want to be fully listening to. All right, and who knows, maybe you're the one selected to go to Mars.
50 million miles away from home. He's totally alone. What the hell is he thinking right now?
It's like having a virtual assistant who captures everything important so you don't have to worry about missing key details while multitasking. We're always multitasking. I got 3 screens behind me and I'm looking all over the place. People think, is he paying attention? I go, yeah, but I got 1 document of yours over here. I got 1 video of yours over here. Don't worry, I'm watching you, okay? All right, well, this hack is especially useful for staying on top of multiple meetings without getting overwhelmed. Just make sure you're good with your company policy for recording meetings and you're good to go. All right, there you have it. 3 simple yet powerful ways to use ChatGPT to transform how you work, from generating business prompts to summarizing complex documents and turning meeting transcriptions into actionable insights. ChatGPT is the productivity tool you never knew you needed. Now, if you found these tips helpful, again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to make AI work for you. And let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use ChatGPT to streamline your day? And as always, I have 2 more videos for you. This one is for more tips on AI productivity tools, and the one below, this is tailored specifically for you. So go ahead, click one of these, and we'll see you in the next video.